Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I know I look a little weird today because I don't have any mascara on, but today we are actually going to be trying something different. So if you want to see what I'm going to try today, it's something I've never done before, so I'm super kind of like, I don't know about all this. Then just keep watching, but before you do, don't forget to click that subscribe button and hit that post notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload. But without further ado, let's go see what I'm up to. Okay, so today we are going to be trying the Kiss Magnetic Lashes, and it's not like with the eyeliner, it's like a top and a bottom eyelash, but they're supposed to like magnetize together. Like you put this one on top and then this one on the bottom, like on your top eyelashes, and they're supposed to like clip together and make an eyelash. If that makes any sense whatsoever. Probably not, but we'll see. I have never applied false eyelashes, so this will be interesting. Also, ignore how dry my face is. Sorry about that, but we're just gonna keep it moving. And I didn't put on any mascara or anything because I didn't know how easy or hard this was gonna be. So like, I didn't want to pack my eye and then water and mascara get like everywhere on my face because I do have to go to work through. So with that being said, when you open it up, like it's in the packaging just like this. Ooh, this thing just fell out. And if y'all hear snorting, of course that's my bulldogs in here. So from what I gather about putting on false eyelashes is you look at them like this, and this goes to that eye, this goes to this eye. So we are going to jump right in. So yeah, when I took them out, they do have like little magnets like right here and right there. So that way, I guess when you're done, you can just clip them right back on there. But we're gonna try them out. This little tool you're supposed to use to put them on with, it looks just like a normal little eyelash kind of applicator, but it's like curved. So we will try to do this. Ooh! Yeah, they're like super magnetic, so I guess that's kind of good, but it's hard to kind of get them on the little applicator. Oh my gosh, this is a lot more difficult than I thought it was going to be. I don't think that's right, but I don't know. And then you just put it on. Maybe. Oh my gosh, this is like so complicating. I don't know if this tool is like supposed to make it easier or harder. Maybe we're supposed to do it that way. No, that doesn't make sense. Okay guys, this tool is like way complicating. Like I don't get it. Okay, so I kind of got them on there a little bit. Yeah, no, that didn't work. They just like went together on this little tool. So I'm just going to try my hands because I'm not getting anywhere with that little tool. Oh my gosh. Like they're stuck together. I don't even know how I'm going to get these things apart. Oh my gosh. Oh, okay. Oh gosh. I think I'm going to break them. Oh my goodness. I bet the eyeliner one is like so much easier. I'll definitely be trying that one out as well. So I'm just going to go try to put them on my top eyelashes and then come in bottom one, see if it works. It keeps sliding down. Ah! Okay. Okay, so it works. Like, it kind of works, but it's, like, not on, like, my lash line. So, I mean, if it wasn't for it not being on my lash line, it'd probably be, like, pretty cute. Ah! And now they're stuck back together. I like, for real, want to see a video of somebody like proing at this, because this is, whew. I put it up more, so maybe. No, it's so hard to get it like to your lash line. Okay, so I zoomed you guys in just a little bit more to kind of see what I'm doing. Let me try like doing this. Ah, it keeps sticking together before I get to my eye. The force is too strong. Ah. Let me try. Ah. Okay, it's kind of closer this time. Still looks a hot mess. I mean, they're lightweight though. I mean, you can kind of tell you got them on like on the end right here, because it's not, you know, over there where it's supposed to be. We are gonna move on to the next side to see if that one's any better. I mean, the concept is good. I mean, I like it, but I just don't know how to do it. If y'all think this is fun, wait till I actually try to put on false eyelashes, like the glue and stuff. That'll be fun. Maybe this will give me good practice. We'll see. They're not putting together. Ah! Woo! I mean, there's that. That's cute. I think I'm just gonna wear it like this the rest of the day. I don't know how. That's why I didn't invent them. But I feel like it could be easier. Now they're stuck together. Ugly. I keep getting in y'all's way. I'm trying not to. Okay, so it's just sitting up there like it's supposed to. And let me see. Y'all, one of the magnets broke off. Oh, hell no. Oh, no. Let's see. We might as well see. Yeah, so the magnet broke off, so it's not doing right. That makes me mad. $14 crap. Well, I mean, if it was like a lot easier kind of application and it actually worked a little bit better, it'd probably be like, you know, good to go. But this is not for me. So I'm gonna hop off and go put on my regular mascara eyelashes, and I'll be right back. Okay, so eyes are done. I did just go in with my Bambi eye mascara. It's from L'Oreal. This is some good mascara, so if you have not tried it, go out and get you some. This is in the shade Blackest Black, so it's really good. Sorry the lashes didn't work out. I was kind of hoping they would, so I could do like a wear test on them, but I probably could have got them to work if it wasn't for the magnet coming off the lower lash on the other eye. So sorry about that, but I am going to try the eyeliner magnetic one, so stay tuned for that. And then one day I am going to put on false lashes, like with the glue and everything, because I'm just not that kind of girl. And luckily, I'm not bragging, but I do actually have good eyelashes, so I don't think I need them every day. But if I want to be, you know, a little extra, then I do kind of like want to start trying out like eyelashes and stuff. So if you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and then before you leave, click that subscribe button. Also go follow me on Instagram and Facebook, and yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.